Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel and part 2 of our curry series. For this dish, we are going to pat dry a half of a pound of a flaky white fish. I'm using cod, before liberally salting and peppering on both sides and letting that sit on the side and rest while we prep the rest of our ingredients. Now every good curry has some onion, so we chop up a little onion here, bell pepper. Use whatever vegetables you like or have on hand as well. I had these snow peas, so I'm throwing those into the mixes as well. And then I really like tomatoes in my curry. It adds sweetness and acidity. So just chopping up one of these into large chunks. Another acidic component that we're going to use is the zest and juice of half of the lime. Now over on the stove, over high heat, we're going to throw in some high heat oil into our pan before popping in our fish. Giving this a little flip, we're just going to brown this. Doesn't have to be cooked thoroughly through yet. Remove that, adding a big dollop of our curry. We want to start ballooning this and toasting this up to release all of those beautiful aromatics and spices that we put in this curry last week. Next goes in some coconut milk. My camera died, so I didn't show you putting in the fresh vegetables, but those went in as well. Tasting to just the curry seasoning. Want more, add more. If it's fine, then just leave it as it is. I wanted a little bit more. Next goes in the tomatoes after about 2 minutes. Our lime zest. And then we're going to nestle in the fish and really nestle it into the curry sauce. We're going to let this cook until it's opaque and flaky. Shut off the heat. Squeeze in half of the lime and a big handful of basil and let that residual heat wilt down the basil. I wish I had Thai basil. I didn't, so we're just using domestic here. Now I played this up with a little basil garnish and of course some lime wedges, the other half of that lime. Giving another little squeeze. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The fish is beautifully flaky, serving with some rice as well. The curry is so beautiful. It's a little spicy, which I love. The fish is flaky, perfectly cooked through. You get those beautiful fresh vegetables in there. You get the acidity from the lime and the tomato, and this is absolutely delicious. But there it is, Thai style fish curry. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.